So just explaining how a study was done which showed how people actually analyzed speech. So the 4-year-olds, for instance.
So my argument is people are given two ways to mitigate the negative effects, right? They've said you make the powerful feel like you don't deserve the position of power. So injustice will reverse the automatic effects of power. The problem I have with this is an ego threat. What does that mean? It means that when I make you feel you don't deserve your position, you're immediately lash out, right? And that's what happens when they try to catch when you start getting child soldiers and you increase. No, I'm serious.
You know, they're players, right? So they don't have this very person. It's also called ADH. So that's why you don't really love all of them. You can date many girls at the same time, but you don't have that. And then this.
Right next to me right now, I may lose control and start killing people and start committing crimes. Okay. So drug use is a purely environmental factor that does not relate to nature.
Just came out of nowhere. Muhammad is the one who gave me a paper about nanorobots in our bloodstream, and I was very curious. I'm like, wow, how can you have robots in your bloodstream, navigating, identifying causes of diseases, and killing the infected cells? So I was so curious. That's why.
Let me take longer for it to that's why I have So Mari is supposed to make this. Okay, let's ask you if you have a constant life something that actually international collaboration, because sometimes countries are just like too poor to tackle their own problems. Like say the whole of West Africa, they have malaria, and a country like Benin, which is too small, too poor, cannot really fight malaria. Then now, if say all these countries come together to propose one solution,
They extract the electrons from that. They're left with the protons. And so after they're left with the protons, they then take the protons into another chamber in which they exert an electric field. And so after that electric field, the protons are propelled to increase the speed. So after they increase the speed, they get into another chamber in which keep in mind they're still increasing their speed. And then they are, so the whole chamber is made up of liquid. And then they are changed into a 4-chamber system, 4 circles of diameter.
At the time, this factor does each of these points represents how each of these points, how fast they will escape to infinity. Again, you can start to see the set of difference. See what I mean? So again, the set is repeating itself. And if let's say we zoomed in, well, let me just show you a very simple example, since that is the design time of digit.
So again, this is nowhere near the lifespan of a human being, so we can't really use this either. The next one we're going to look for something a bit more theoretical called antimatter. Now, antimatter has infinite drive with matter. There are and it's